In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Canvas in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To follow along, open CapCut PC on your computer or visit the official CapCut website if you need to install the desktop version first. Once you are inside the editor, load your project and place your video into the timeline so you can begin working with the Canvas settings. Start by selecting the video clip you want to edit inside the timeline. When the clip is highlighted, move over to the right side panel and open the video settings. Stay inside the Basics section, then scroll down until you find the Canvas option. This section allows you to change how the background area around your video appears without changing the original clip itself. Click on Canvas to open the available styles. You will now see different Canvas options that can be applied to your video. For this tutorial, choose the blur option. After selecting it, several blur styles will appear on the screen. Go through the available choices and pick the one that best matches the look you want for your project. As you switch between the blur styles, you can continue adjusting the video placement and previewing the results in real time. This helps you create a cleaner layout, especially for videos that do not fully fit the screen size. Keep the video clip selected while making these adjustments so the changes apply correctly to the selected layer. Once you are satisfied with the blur style and positioning, the canvas effect will remain applied to your video and become part of your final edit inside CapCut PC.